What is stormwater? It is that portion of rain or snowmelt that does not soak into the ground. It goes into our creeks, streams, and rivers, and in the case of Blacksburg, it flows into the New River, our source of drinking water and our place of recreation. Stormwater flows over hard surfaces like parking lots, building roofs, and streets. It picks up pollutants along the way and deposits these pollutants into our waterways. Stormwater runoff is the #1 source of surface water pollution in the United States. It also presents a challenge for cities and towns that want to protect residents from property damage and other safety hazards associated with flooding. The Town of Blacksburg is required to comply with both state and federal regulations when maintaining the water quality of our streams and must control both the quantity and quality of stormwater runoff as required by law. But the cost of enforcing stormwater regulations is left to the localities, and that bill is growing fast. The town of Blacksburg can no longer afford to pay for stormwater management out of the general fund. The town also has no desire to raise taxes which would unfairly distribute the cost of managing stormwater. A solution has been proposed to develop a user fee based on the amount of hard surface a property maintains. Because hard surfaces do not absorb water, this is a reflection of the amount of runoff that would be generated. For example, a 3-acre parking lot will produce more runoff than 3 acres of open grass. Raising the tax rate on each of these properties would not be equitable. Instead, a fee based on the amount of a property's hard surface would be assigned. This would generate revenue that would be managed by a stormwater enterprise fund and is similar to the type of fee system the town currently uses to charge property owners for drinking water, sewer, and solid waste-related services. By generating user fees in such a stormwater enterprise fund, the funds can only be used for stormwater maintenance or improvements. By law, current and future town councils could not borrow from this fund for any other purpose. The idea of charging a user fee for stormwater is not unique to Blacksburg. Over 400 such funds or stormwater utilities exist in the United States, and several Virginia municipalities such as Stanton, Richmond, Lynchburg, and Norfolk are collecting user fees for stormwater management. Why should we care? Why should we support another fee that stretches our already thin finances? Because we can't afford not to. Blacksburg was founded based on the availability of good, clean water. Our town is at the headwaters of many of the regional creeks and streams. We have an obligation to maintain and improve the water quality of these waterways. Let's choose to be proactive and create a fund to pay for the compliance with the laws that govern this issue and to demonstrate our stewardship of our water resources. The town of Blacksburg wants to know your thoughts on stormwater management and regulation. Please visit www.blacksburg.gov/stormwater. You may also provide comments by emailing or calling the town staff.